high-speed motor in a 40 Ford coupe. She had a racing cam and a supercharged. Look at Buddy, hot rod at large. She's a hot rod. She's a hot rod. She's my hot rod.
Just another example of if you build it, they will come. Again, if you build it, they will come. My goodness, they will come. And it is a family affair. And we even have the pinup girls. Aren't they wonderful? The Blue Top, always the home of rock and roll, fancy cars, and pretty girls. That's why we call it the Blue Top. And the pinup girls are working hard at waitressing in amongst the hot rodders. If this is, for sure, a family affair. Our pinup girls are doing a bang-up job of taking care of the customers here in the Hot Rod Extravaganza at Blue Top Drive-In. And as you can see, sometimes the party spills over into the good doctor's lot. It is just nothing but hot rods and rock and roll all day long. They sure do bring them in early here at the Blue Top Drive-In. It really is a family affair. Oh boy, the party's on at the Blue Top Drive-In. Hey girls, how do you like the hot rods, girls? You liking the hot rods? Oh yeah, it is a family affair here at the Blue Top. Again, if you build it, they will come. It's a family game. It's really been a great day here at the Blue Top Drive-In. It's just unbelievable the amount of family action going on here. 7, 9, 6,